Guys, welcome back to my channel and let's start today's lecture. And today's topic is present perfect continuous tense. Please have a look at this board. So, first of all, I would like to confirm you one thing, that this tense is quite different from the other tenses. In this tense, there is special use of for and since. For, which is used for period of time which is indefinite, which we don't know properly about, and second is since, which is used for point of time which is definite for a particular time. So let's discuss in the following examples that where for is used and where since is used. So the first rule is for affirmative sentences or positive sentences, which is subject plus has, have plus been plus verb's first form plus ing plus object plus for or since and time. Its example is, I have been living in this house for 2 years. I will stand as subject, has been as helping verb, living is the first form plus ing, in this house is the object. For 2 years. Here this is not mentioned which are these 2 years, like from 2014 to 16 or 16 to 18. So we will use for here. Okay, not since. Since time period is not exactly mentioned, which is not definite. So you can also take many other examples like this. And second rule is for negative, which is subject plus has, have plus not been plus verb's first form plus ing plus object plus for, since and time. Example, they have not been working since morning. They will stand for subject. Have not been will act as helping verb, and not, which is necessary in negative sentences. Working, verb's first form and plus ing. Since morning. Here time is definite. We have given a particular time which is morning. So here we will use since, not for. So next is interrogative sentences. Has, have plus subject plus been plus verb's first form plus ing plus object plus for, since, time and plus question mark, which is necessary in necessary in interrogative sentences. Examples, has she been staying in the school hostel since 2017? Has will stand as subject. She will stand as has here will act as subject, as an interrogative word we can say. She will stand as subject, been as an helping verb. Here has will act as both question word or helping verb. Staying in the school hostel. In the school hostel will be object here. Since 2017. Here we are given a particular period of time. So we will use since here, not for. And let me explain the sentences in Hindi as well. Okay. I have been living in this house for 2 years. मैं इस घर में करीबन 2 सालों से रह रहा हूँ. Second, they have not been working since morning. वे सुबह से काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. Third is, has she been staying in the school hostel since 2017? क्या वह 2017 से 2017 से हॉस्टल में रह रही है? Okay. So this is our today's topic. I hope you have understand this, and thank you so much.